Hi guys, so here I got a true wireless earphone called Tiso i4. I got this from AliExpress and it's about like $20, and so we will unbox this one and see what the package contains of. So here you can see the specs. It has a Bluetooth 5.0, 6mm driver, and frequency response from 20 to 20K, and it says the playing time is 4 hours with 6 hours with Bluetooth 5.0 device, and charging time says 1 hour, and it has a waterproof rating of IPX5, and has some kind of noise reduction hardware. And let's open the box. So you got the earphone here. Size is quite small. Got some kind of foam. This is the extra pair of ear tips. Micro USB charging cable. And this is like a quick guide. I think that's all. So here we can take a look better at the earphone. So you can see it still have the micro USB charging port. It's not USB Type-C yet, but so far the shape is a quite light earphone. I would say it's very light. It's pretty small. So you can see it start pairing once I take it out. So here the charging case, it doesn't have any kind of lid. So it's open charging case, and you can put it with a magnet inside. You can see the two small and light earphone. This is the right one and this is the left one. This feels very light, and try not to lose it, because most likely you will lose it somewhere because it feels so small.